Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Alyssa.
And I'm Trevor.
And we are on our way to do a run on the beach. Now, we don't usually run on the beach in the morning, but it's a little overcast today, so we figured it wouldn't be too hot. And also, we have to go to the beach anyways because we have to get our dog's flea preventative. And it's about a 20-minute drive, so we said why not make the most of it and do a run on the beach.
Yep, I've been slacking. So, we get a run in, get the dog's stuff, so it's going pretty good.
It's a win-win. We were supposed to get the dog medicine a couple days ago, but then we got busy studying for an exam, and then we took the exam, and after the exam, we were just done. So, we're getting it today. But we will see you on the beach. Fun fact, a few nights ago, sea turtles were laying their eggs along the beach. So maybe we'll see some of their nest.
Alright guys, so we just got back from our 2-mile jog. We came in right over there. And like we said, probably see turtle nests. They block them off, so you're not supposed to go into it. And you're probably not going to see much right now, just because the turtles come in at night, lay their eggs right here, and then go back out to the ocean. It's actually pretty far for them. And the turtles hatch at night, so pretty soon they're gonna be coming up. Hopefully we'll make our way back here to see that happen. But yeah, just wanted to show that off to you guys.
All of the things I do. I like the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Me.
Alright, we just got back from our run on the beach. You probably saw the turtle nest, which is really cool. And like Trevor said, hopefully we can get back and see them being hatched, because that'd be something really cool to see. But now we are on our way to the vet to get our dog's medicine. So that is where we're going now. Alright guys, we just got back home. We are currently making lunch. They are Publix Greenwise apple sausage. I don't know.
Apple and Gouda, I think.
Apple and Gouda sausages.
I threw the package away, so I'm not sure.
But yes, we're making lunch, and then we are going to be taking these 2 dogs to the dog park. There's one, the other one is outside right now. But yeah, so we're just making lunch. And we have a plan for dessert. We're having a pizza and movie night with our roommates tonight. We got these to make some chocolate covered strawberries. And then we got these. We're going to try to make a s'mores dip. So these will be on the bottom, and then we'll put the marshmallows on top. And then we have graham crackers, and then you just dip it in. So we're gonna try it out.
It'll be good.
And then we got stuff for ice cream sundaes tonight too, because you know, we're just going all out. Totally opposite of our last video where we're being healthy, but today we're going all out with junk food. You always do need like one kind of cheat day.
Yeah, it's been a little while since we've done it, so it'll be good. We're excited.
I'm very excited.
She is.
Alright, so we will be back after we eat lunch. So we just finished eating, and now we're on our way to the dog park. There's Nova, who is, I don't know.
She refuses to stay in the back.
You can't really see it in the video, but we have a dog hammock. And it is this. And it's supposed to keep them both back there. There's Storm. And we feel, personally we feel it's safer for them to be in a hammock. I would prefer a hammock plus the dog leash or dog seatbelt, but if you have the hammock up, you can't get to the buckles. So
She thought about cutting it.
I did think about cutting it, and I still want to cut it because I feel like that's the safest. Like if anything was to happen, you get in a car accident, then the dogs wouldn't like flip around, and it'd just be safe. So we've been talking about it. But so we're on our way to the dog park, and they both really like the dog park.
Yeah, I mean, Nova likes the dog park more. She gets more excited than Storm does. Storm kind of just usually chills in the back until, like, you know, we get there. But she runs around more with the dogs. Nova kind of just sniffs around, walks around, does her own thing. She likes like walking around the edge of the water. So I guess we'll see when we get there.
It was fun. The last time we went to the dog park, Storm actually swam, so that was pretty cool. She would go in, we'd throw the stick in the water for Nova to get it, and then Storm would swim, trying to swim faster than Nova to get the stick, but if Nova wasn't in the water, she wouldn't go in. So hopefully this time she'll swim on her own, but we will see.
Yeah, it's still kind of stormy out, so.
Yeah, we're hoping it doesn't get worse when we get there. But as you can see, it's very clouded, so we will see. Those are our two cutie pies. But we'll see you guys at the dog park. Alright, so we just got to the dog park, so we're going to be doing a little montage of the dogs' fun here. So I hope y'all enjoy them running around. Raining a lot harder than just a little drizzle. So we're both just dripping water right now.
It's okay. It was so fun.
It was very fun. The dogs had fun. I'm surprised that people are actually coming now.
Yep, there's still people coming.
A car coming. So that's interesting. But to each his own is what I'm trying to say. That's what I'm trying to say. But the dogs had fun. I'm sure Storm, she is rolling around in circles right now because her fur's wet, but I'm sure she would have loved to stay longer. I have a theory that when a dog's fur gets wet, and it's with all dogs, they get this thing called zoomies. I don't know what anybody else calls it. Comment down below if you call it something different. But basically, zoomies are when they're wet and they're running around crazy, and it's very fun to watch, but then sometimes it can be a mess. When there's two dogs and they jump on the couch and then the table because you just can't get them to calm down.
Especially after baths.
Yes, after baths is the worst. But it's funny to watch. it's a bit crazy. But we are on our way home right now. And then we're going to take showers, get dried off, and we will see you there.
Alright guys, we're back. So I've just been doing homework. It's been kind of gloomy out today. You know, it was raining earlier, but so yeah, we're back home. Got some pizza on the way. Well, it's actually here, but
yeah, the pizza just got here. We're having a movie night with our roommates. We'll show you a little bit of that. So we'll show you the pizza now, and then like I said earlier, we're going to be making our s'mores dessert. So we're very excited for that, and then ice cream sundaes. And we even got a keto ice cream to try. It's actually pretty good. I don't like the cookie dough in it, but I like the ice cream chocolate chip part. So I will show you the pizza now. Also, peep the socks. My sister got it for me for my 21st birthday. That was before we got Storm. But so here's our, well, this is our pizza. Trevor likes the thick sauce, or the thick crust one.
it is the best.
And yes, we like to use paper plates instead. But we also got a cheesy bread.
Paper plates are a flex.
But we'll come back with you with the movie we decided to watch. So the movie we decided to watch was Dolittle, the new live action one. We have seen it, but our roommates have not, so they're excited to see it. And that is that. Alright, so we're about halfway done with the movie right now. We got two little cuddle bugs. There's one. And then here's the other cuddle bug. And we're about to make our s'mores treat. So we will show you the steps of how we do it. Okay, so this is what we're using to make it. We have Hershey's chocolate chips. We're gonna use some heavy whipping cream and then marshmallows on top. We're going without a recipe because the last time I used a recipe, I burnt the chocolate. So if you have any recipes, leave it down below. But we're just gonna wing it for now. So, here we go. Melted. So far, we're preheating it to 330. This is what it's like living with two boys.
True that.
So we preheated the oven to 335. It's still preheating, but we're trying to melt the chocolate while it's preheating. And if we need more chocolate, we still have half a bag, so.
I feel like it definitely will.
This is hot.
No,
okay.
It's not too bad.
So we're gonna put it back in.
That's all right.
And let it melt a little bit more.
That's my fetish.
So I was dumb and we shouldn't have added the cream because now that the cream's added, it became very thick, but you live and you learn, and we're just gonna go with it now. So we're gonna add the marshmallow. What do you think about me adding too much cream?
Well, last time she tried to make this, she burned the chocolate, so good going. But I don't know, we're still gonna eat it, it's still gonna be good. If not, we have ice cream, so it's okay. All right, so we're hoping for the best, but just in case it doesn't turn out, Maddie's gonna take over next time. I am deciding to make chocolate covered strawberries with coconut oil. Tastes pretty good, you should try it sometime. Yeah, strawberries are over there, but.
Excuse our messy kitchen. We have to put all the dishes away.
It's okay.
It most likely is not going to taste good. The chocolate became very thick.
False.
I don't recommend using. I don't recommend using heavy whipping cream. It looks good, but the chocolate doesn't look very good. So, yeah. Anyone have a better recipe? Please let me know. I need help.
The final product.
I'm hoping it tastes good over here. Can't get in it. Oh shoot. Oh, it's hot. Damn it. It's not working. Okay. It's hot.
Oh yeah, it's hot. It looks pretty good. How is it?
Hot. Burn my finger. It's not terrible. It's a little hot. My fingers are scalded. Oh my goodness. It's not terrible.
We got little beggars over here. She's getting crumbs that Alyssa dropped.
Yeah, when I opened, I had marshmallow all over my face.
I know.
When I opened this container, as you see, it is now manhandled. I spilled it everywhere. So, okay, I'm gonna go clean it up because I'm just a mess right now. We will see when the strawberries are done.
5, 6.
Okay, what do you think, Trevor? Was it a fail?
I didn't actually try it, so I can't comment.
Well, the other two roommates said it was not a fail.
It's great.
Yeah, man, it's amazing.
So it turned out better. It's just a very thick chocolate. I don't know if you can see it. It's just, this looks really bad, kind of like poop, but it really does taste better than it looks. It's just very thick chocolate.
Peep my strawberries.
But these are the delicious chocolate covered strawberries coming along. That's the kind of smooth chocolate I was hoping for these, but you can see the difference. That didn't happen.
It's okay. We'll get it next time. We're working on it.
But yes. Do you want to try it?
Sure. Oh wow.
Your opinion?
The whole thing sticks together. But it's pretty good. Not bad. It's very chocolatey, that's for sure. But it's pretty good.
This is the strawberries, the end product.
They could have used some more chocolate on like a couple of them, but it's okay, they'll work.
It only took about 10 minutes to harden, so that was nice.
Yeah, they're her favorite, so I'm sure they'll be good anyways.
I'm excited to eat them, but make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you know when we post.
See you guys in the next one.
Bye! So this is the finished product of the strawberries.
They're pretty sexy.
You are not helping.
Alright, take 3 of 46.
The camera's just rolling. We're good.